Oh my God. Look what came in today. Let me get that on there. Boom. That's right. Packages from Donald Trump himself. Well, not exactly. But we got the new sneaks here. Oh boy. So this here's what the top looks like. Come in these nice fancy packaging. I like this box. It's a nice box. It's supposed to be there on the side. What they're looking like. Let's see. Anything else here on this box? Alright, get ready. Whoa. Whoa, you gotta see this. Whoa. Well, this is wild. I know there's supposed to be some sort of a coin in here too. Let me know what you guys are thinking. I think overall it's not really a bad shoe at all. It looks nice. Like this here around the edge. These little tips. Little tips say Trump on them. Does it say anything on it? No. Huh. What a trip. Huh. Okay. Super Donald. This here, is that the number that I got? Huh. They also come with these super cool laces. If you really want to get America on them. But that's all it is here in the box. Hope you folks enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you next time. It's usually Pokemon videos. Pokemon unboxing videos, by the way.